Hi, this is Northern Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town Spurs. No, my brother, how do you feel about the game today?
11 from 11.
Yeah, yeah.
This is a new record. The league has been given to Sundowns already. Sundowns are already the incoming
Champions.
the champions.
Yeah.
You must give us the league. Everything is done.
Yeah.
Our main focus now is Africa.
It's clear.
Africa, everything is Africa.
Yeah, and Africa is tough that side. You need to make sure that you raise your socks that side.
Of course. Like wait until the knockout now. We need to master and manipulate our way to the final. We've been choking now for
Big
the
time, yes.
we've been choking for the past years. Like 1 point is not enough for the big brand of Sundowns.
And you threw at home. It's like,
No, don't worry. It's all about picking up at the right time in Africa.
Yes.
It's all about that. It doesn't matter. You know how Al is doing, right?
Yes.
They've been flopping, and yet comes the knockout game.
They play very well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So Sundowns all the way.
All the way.
Second star is coming.
It's loading.
We don't count it the so-called tournament cup.
Not that one.
You know the other people say this is a tournament.
But it's a
It's
friend.
an invitation, right?
You mean the AFL?
Yes. No, we don't count that one. We want the original second
original
star
one.
is coming. Is loaded.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Don't worry, rainy days are coming to the Coast Nation. Don't worry. 10 years and waiting now is gonna come. Next year, NetBank is yours.
Thank you very much.